does your look, does it need a boost? Need a little help? Little help?
Heather Lake is Heather Lake is live in Chula Vista with a way you can find out about beauty secrets. This is the good part.
Beauty secrets. I was wondering if you guys were going to get through those
Maureen,
2 sentences.
I wanted to finish.
Down here.
You know what? Forget it. Go ahead, Heather.
We're giving you a little pick-me-up on your Monday. I mean, literally, we're going to tighten and tone your skin. We're going to tell you how to do it. And Raul, you never have to go under the knife. So for people who are thinking they got a little something here and you know you heard of a nip and a tuck, no, we don't have to deal with any of that. I mean, you could if you wanted to, but this is not that. This is not what we're doing this morning. We can show all of this on television, and we don't need to just turn the screens away because it all is, you know, you could do it on your lunch break, and you could come in here, you're going to go back, and you're not even going to have really any redness or irritation. Dr. Nowak at Nowak Aesthetics is helping us out this morning and telling us all about these treatments that have been around for probably the last couple of years, but are just becoming more and more advanced as we start to learn about them. What is this that we're doing right here?
So right now we're doing a ReAction treatment. This is a radio frequency treatment. Once again, as you said, it's non-invasive. Really, the last 5-10 years have been amazing with technology improvements. It uses radio frequency to heat the collagen support network of the skin. It can be a facial treatment. There's actually body treatments that we do, cellulite reduction, stretch marks, scars, skin tightening, so people have some loose or lax skin that it just hasn't went back to the way it was before. We now have ways to address that, and more importantly, without that downtime or recovery time.
So would this be for someone who's looking at getting a tummy tuck, looking at getting a facelift, and it just seems like such a procedure and so expensive, and they wouldn't want to do plastic surgery, so they're going to try this out first?
Well, more and more we have patients come in and they say, I want to look normal, I want to look natural, I want to look like myself, I want to look younger, okay? Now, if someone just has loose, lax skin, they may still need a facelift, but if we can catch people before that, you know, I'll see many younger patients that have previously had facelifts at a very young age, and this is now we have treatments that we can take care of them before they need that.
Okay, so we've got a before and after of a patient just to show you what it will look like, and her skin is tightened. You can see the difference. How long after she receives this kind of treatment? So is it like, you know, she's going to go get this gel taken off of her face and all of a sudden she's going to look like a different person, or when do we see the results?
We see some difference, you know, with the treatment. With each treatment, it is designed to be a series of treatment, and most people will do 6 to 10 treatments with this. So it's heating the collagen slowly. With each time, with each session, we're going to get a little tighter. And then when we finish, you get 3 to 6 months where it's going to be better. Now, if someone's lost volume, so if they've have a lot of, you know, bone loss, muscle loss, we lose fat where we want it, we gain it where we don't want, then we need to put some fillers in there. We need to replace the volume. This is going to tighten the skin, but sometimes we need that volume replacement to really balance that out. Also taking care of the skin, protecting them from the sun, using, you know, educating them on how to take care of their skin and what we can do to.
How does that feel? What does that feel like?
Nothing.
But I mean, a little pinch or a warmth?
That's it.
A little warm?
Mm-hmm. Okay. That's it.
And you're not uncomfortable?
Nope.
You sure about that? she's still smiling. You know, a lot of these women, and too, you kind of learn at what age what's right for you and kind of what you're looking for. We're here because tomorrow night there's a big event going on. So if women are watching, or men are, we know you're vain too. You know, she's like, we know. If you're watching, there's something that you can come to for free tomorrow, and you're going to be sort of, you know, showing off some of these treatments and explaining to people the benefits and what they are, what they feel like, and what they'll do, right?
Yeah. So it's really an open house. It's an educational event. We'll have representatives from the company. Many times there'll be patients there that have had treatments, so you can actually learn more about what it can do for you, and you can actually talk to someone that's had it done.
Okay, sounds good. I know that we're showing a lot of these treatments on the face, but some of them now are used in different parts. You mentioned sagging skin, cellulite. I think every woman always wants to know, how can I get rid of that? I mean, we're in our bathing suits probably 9 to 10 months out of the year here in San Diego. So if you're looking at that, this is a smaller end right there. So there's like different sizes. And how does that work?
Yeah, so this is a facial treatment applicator. The body applicators are much larger. So if someone does have loose skin in those areas, cellulite, we can definitely reduce it. We can definitely improve it. It is a challenging condition. You mentioned before, does it replace a tummy tuck? Well, sometimes that's more of a thermal lipo procedure. If someone has some that they can still pinch, there are treatments that can be done short of a tummy tuck with minimal downtime. But this skin tightening, this is no downtime.
Okay, so you come in here. How long would a treatment take for the face?
Depending on the area that we'll treat, it's going to be 15, 20 minutes for a treatment.
Okay.
So body areas, if we're treating larger areas, more areas, it'll take us a little bit longer. And the price range, $300 to $500, depending on the areas that we're treating.
Per treatment, and you said about 6 to 10. So hey, you're putting in a little bit of money, but you're getting the results that you want. You get this done, you go grab a latte, and you're back to work. All of this is so fascinating to me. We're going to put more information if you want to learn more. Go to our website, fox5sandiego.com. All you have to do is click on the Scene On tab to find out more about the event that's going on tomorrow. Shali, Raul, there's your pick-me-up from here in Chula Vista. I'm going to send it back to you in the studio for now.
Pick it up, push it back,
Push
line
it
it up,
back.
lock it
Pick
in.
it up. Pick it up.
Don't let it fall down.
Are we talking about the same thing?
Probably not. Heather Lake, thank you.